Good afternoon, students. I know that there's a very good tutorial about adding Cultura to your ePortfolio, to your collab in order to put media files on your ePortfolio. However, I wanted to make a tutorial that was specific for posting the monologue videos, since there's lots of students in Spanish 1060 and 1010 and other classes that are doing these projects. So please follow along. Okay. The first thing that you would like to do, and this is very important, is you would like to access your collab site for your name that is what you created to make your WordPress site. So we'll access, for example, student example here. So I go to the student example, the student specific collab, not the course collab site. Then I select edit tools or site info, then edit tools. Okay, since you've already created your WordPress, creating your collab using the tutorial, you may have already selected Cultura Media Gallery, but if not, you'll want to select the Cultura Media Gallery and hit continue. And select finish. Okay, so now we have WordPress and also our newly added Cultura Media Gallery. Okay, so here you will see obviously no media since you just added the Cultura Media Gallery, but I have added a couple of files to practice this tutorial. So we will select Upload New Media. I recommend that you record straight from your webcam, as this is an activity that is going to give you an anchor point to show you where you started in Spanish, so you can see how far you will have come at the end of the semester. It's very important to note that you are not to read directly from a paper or read directly from words on the computer screen. You are not graded on accuracy for this particular monologue video. Again, it just serves as a starting point, a point of reference to see where you started, and then you'll make one at the end to see how far you have come. So keep that in mind when you do this monologue video, and resist the temptation to read directly from a paper. So with that being said, you will select webcam. You will select the allow button, so allow Cultura to access your microphone and webcam. Cultura is a server that is housed on grounds at UVA for media files. So it is 100% safe within the realm of the university. So click allow, and then the video will pop up. And it's here that you'll do your monologue video for, I think it's 30 seconds or a minute, and depending if it's a different level, it may be a longer time. So we will click record and test, test, test. This would be your monologue video. So I will click stop. Then next. So depending on how long the video is, you may have to wait for a few seconds for it to process before you can title it. So we'll call this test 3, and I will select next. Since my video is only a few seconds long, this should not take very long. If your video is longer, obviously it will take a few more seconds or even up to a couple of minutes. Alright, done. So I click finish. So now I have 3 videos here, all from today. So I'll select the newest one. You have to do a couple of things before you can get your embed code. So we will go to edit details. We will make this file world readable. We will select save. This is going to allow us to get an embed code. The embed code here, copy every bit of it. So I'm copying that. Now I'm going to open my WordPress site. Now, if you're new to WordPress, you may not know that it's best to work with WordPress on a new tab and not within the confines of collab. So my first step is I'm going to open my WordPress site in a new tab or a new page, however you want. So I have that here. So now this is the dashboard for said student. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a new page. So here I will call this All right, so I have the page titled. I will go to Tools, Source Code, and paste my copied source code here. Click OK. You'll see this box here, kind of like a place box, and publish. So now if I'd like to view my page, I can view my newly created and embedded page, my embedded video. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, guys, and good luck.